Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my new pet, and sorry about the TV, it's not even working. It's just the reflection, it's not even working, it's just, so here we go. He's so cute. I wish I could keep him forever and ever. I'm going to go ahead and close it because I'm afraid he'll get out. I'm still here. So there you go, guys. And my fish is still in here. Where is he? Oh, he's yes, I don't know where she is. But the tadpoles, I put in the lake. I started getting really disgusting inside because I thought it was like black. So I gave them away. Sorry. So yeah, 2 seconds ago it was the, 5 seconds ago it was the 100. That's 111 alien. Okay. I don't know all the numbers. I really don't. 121. Okay, so bye guys, please subscribe and I love you.